Alright guys, I just shot my first real video with the DJI Mini 5 here, and this is my first time taking it out and using it kind of professionally. Ease of use, fantastic. The quality is fantastic. The fall colors, guys. Watch this video. I was actually able to drive the machine in this video while operating this drone. That's how easy this thing is to use. Check it out.
The road ends, but your adventure doesn't. Dare to go where others won't. Through mud, water, and golden fall trails. Push forward. Conquer every splash. Stop for nothing. This is Odes, taking you beyond roads.
So this video has inspired you in any way to pick up a drone, give it a like. If you have any comments, questions, leave it down below. I'll respond to every single one of them. In the meantime, guys, enjoy flying. Have a good day. Bye.